ELECTMAX EF-28LE Electric Fryer, designed for reliable and efficient frying in commercial kitchens. Made with stainless steel, it is durable, easy to clean, and built to last. The 28-litre capacity with 2 fry baskets improves output efficiency, while the cold zone design helps extend oil life. With a temperature range of 50 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, the fryer's high-efficiency heating tubes ensure fast heat-up and quick recovery. The lift-up heating element makes cleaning simple and convenient. It also comes with a programmable timer function. Users can set and save multiple programs, and when the countdown finishes, the fryer displays "End" with a buzzer alert, making operation easier and more precise. For safety, the fryer includes an oil drain valve and an over-temperature protector, providing worry-free use. Designed with a single stainless steel vat, adjustable feet, and an included vat lid, it adapts to everyday kitchen needs. ELECTMAX EF-28LE, fast heating, safe, and easy to operate. A dependable frying solution for every commercial kitchen.